One of the top priorities of Japan's economic cooperation with Jamaica is to enhance universal health care, in particular, fighting against infectious diseases.
This cold room now really takes us to another level, because rather than having a number of refrigerators and freezers, we're now able to store everything in a better location. So we're really very happy for this donation, very happy for the partnership, and we will get better and better.
The modernization of this warehouse with this addition is also symbolic of the importance that we place on it as a government going forward in the post-COVID period, where we have to be more prepared, more resilient in terms of a health system, and this facility does provide for that kind of strengthening. So I want to just place on record our appreciation for this donation, and also to say that it's strengthening the partnership that currently exists.